Hello guys, we're going to try cactus fruit today. Ito yung cactus fruit. It's my first time to try it. Cactus fruit po siya. Let's see. I think they said to open it like that. Ito yung cactus fruit guys. Parang yung ayan, you have to open it like that. Ayan siya guys. Merong green at saka red. Ayan, yan ang cactus fruit. We're going to try it today. My first time to try cactus fruit. Oh, red cactus fruit guys. Sabi nila masarap. Binigay ng boss ko to. So, we're going to try the cactus fruit guys. They said cactus fruit is full of antioxidant. Ayan, look at the color guys. It's matching with my burgundy scrub suit. Ayan siya. Oh, it's so easy to peel. Ayan guys. Ayan po siya. Na-peel na natin. And look at that. Ayan ang cactus fruit. We're going to try for the first time the cactus fruit. Ayan siya. Has a lot of seeds. So, you have to cut it like that. Super dami ng seeds. Para siyang guava. They said it is full of vitamins, which is antioxidant. So, ayan siya. Look at the color. Para siyang beets. Ayan. We're going to try this, guys. Cactus fruit, guys. It has a lot of seeds. Ayan po. Pwede na pang lipstick yung ano. So this is what you're going to do and we're going to try guys. It's so sweet guys. Pwede mong iswallow yung seeds or kagatin. Para siyang bayabas. Punong-puno siya ng buto. Marami siyang buto-buto guys. Let's try the green one. My boss shared it to us. He gave us this fruit. Yan oh, puno siya ng ng seeds. I think I prefer the green one. The green one is much better. Pero it's really good. Pwede mong kagatin yung seeds. Pero I'm just swallowing it right now. So ito siya guys. Tingnan niyo siya. Cactus fruit po siya guys. Masarap. Ang tamis. Very refreshing siya. Bye for now. Ayan ang ating cactus fruit. First time trying the cactus fruit. Bye for now.